This is for you. This is for you. You think your life is boring? Somebody else wants your life. The way you live, the way you look. So don't think your life is boring. Your life is not boring. You maybe need to spruce it a little bit, but it is not boring. I started this so we can do a 60s, a twiggy, a mix-up kind of vibe makeup look. If you want to follow along, go ahead. But right now, we're going to start. I put this on. I have white base, as you can see. It is almost gone. I put it so long ago, and my camera was giving me a little headache, so I had to fix my camera. So it took 2 hours to get it to this point. So my base is on for a long time. I am going to use white eyeshadow because I wanted to do a 60s kind of thin eyebrow look. Now my camera is out of focus, so I gotta stop again and see what is the hiccup. 3 hours and I think my camera is now working. I tried to fix my camera, but nothing was working today, so I am not going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to create and see what I can still create with this look, because as you can see, the white, and again, I'm out of focus. As you can see, the white has already been eaten up by my hooded eyes. So I'm just going to continue. I don't know how this thing is going to fall in place, but I will do my best to just complete this look and call it a day and work on my camera after I am done with this, because I honestly don't know what is going on. I don't know what's wrong, what is going on. So let me just finish this look. It might not look like what I wanted, but I will finish it. 3 hours and I don't know.
If
This is what the look turned out to be. My camera being in and out of focus all day. This complete look took way longer than it was supposed to. That's why I did it on silent, because I don't know what it's going to look like in editing. But I want to end with something that this camera taught me today. Have patience. At one point, I just wanted to boo-hoo and call it quits because it was so frustrating. But every time I adjusted one way, I prayed. Every time I adjusted another way, I prayed. So today's item is have patience. Have patience. It took me 4 hours to get it to this point. It still need a little bit adjusting, but I know what it is now. So again, I was going for 60s look, twiggy eyebrows, something fabulous and delicious. So I hope I got that look done. Remember this shade right here in that palette I told you I wanted to use because I couldn't use it with my bronze goddess? That's it right here. And everything else came from this palette, the Culture 2. I use the red and I use this wine color. I'll be doing some more little twiggy eyebrows look again once I get my camera to focus. But again, today's item is have patience. Have patience. 4 hours I was ready to give up, and then I'd say, nope, that's negative. I am not going to give up. And every time I fix, I just said a prayer. And here I am to deliver to you. And remember, until I see you and you see me, have patience and don't stop and don't quit. Bye-bye.